All right, good morning, class. We are back with lesson 47, simplifying mixed measures. I got a little jingle for this one. You're going to want to remember it. I'll tell you when we get to it. In this lesson, we will be practicing changing measures named with 2 units into measures named with just 1 unit. In examples 1 through 4, we will learn how to change these kinds of measurements. Number 1. Jalen is 5 feet 4 inches tall. How many inches? So we got feet and inches here. And so my little jingle is bracket, bracket, plus. Now what does that mean? Go ahead and put some brackets there. Inside the brackets you put a multiplication. And then after it, a plus. Bracket, bracket, plus. And then I like to say, first goes first, last goes last. We need 3 numbers in here. The first number they give you is 5 feet. First number goes in the first blank. And the second number, the last number, goes in the last blank. This is the one where we don't know. And this is the one where our handy dandy green math folder will come in because it gets all these measurements there. And what are we going to look at? Well, we got feet and we got inches. Those are 2 units, and we want to change them both into inches. So I like to put my little hands up. Let's do this a little badly. Inches, feet, inches, feet, inches, feet. In other words, how many inches does it take to make a foot? And the answer is, I got no idea. Let's look. 12 inches in 1 foot. So my unit multiplier is 12. Inches, feet, inches, feet. Every time we say that little jingle, we're going to think 12. Boom! Now we got our problem set up. Now it's pretty easy. Selfish parentheses, say me first. 5 times 12 is 60. Bring down my plus 4, and I get 64 inches. So the kid was 5 feet 4 inches tall. We want to know how many inches that is. That's 64 inches. All right, well, let's take a look at number 2. It says Carla ran a quarter mile in 1 minute and 15 seconds. What was her time in seconds? Say it with me. Bracket, bracket, plus. Put your brackets with a multiplication sign in it and a plus sign. Remember, we got 3 numbers. Then we say to ourselves, first goes first, and last goes last. First goes first, last goes last. Now we go and we look at the words in it. Minutes, seconds. Then we go to ourselves. Minutes, seconds. Minutes, seconds. How many minutes or how many seconds are there in a minute? Well, let's just go right down our little list here. Uh-oh. No minutes, no seconds. Oh, turn the page. There they are. Minutes, seconds equals 60. Got it. Our unit multiplier is 60. Boom. Once you got it set up, pretty easy math. 1 times 60 is 60. Our selfish parentheses always go first. Plus 15 equals your 75 seconds. I almost said minutes. 75 seconds. All right, say our jingles with me. Bracket, bracket, plus. First goes first, last goes last. Figure out the unit multiplier, and then just do the math. Number 3. The melon weighed 3 pounds and 8 ounces. How many ounces does the melon weigh? Say it with me. Bracket, bracket, plus. First goes first, last goes last. 3 pounds, 8 ounces. I know you got it already figured out. You're going to say to yourself, ounces, pounds, ounces, pounds, ounces, pounds. Hopefully you'll get it memorized. Until then, handy dandy green folder. Ounces, pounds, ounces, pounds, ounces, pounds, 16. Ooh, I better stack this one up. Selfish parentheses always say, me first. 3 times 6 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 more is 48. Plus 8 gives me 56 ounces. First goes first, last goes last. Find our unit multiplier by saying to yourself, ounces, pound, look it up, and then do the math. Example number 4. In a refrigerator, there was a full 1 gallon container of milk and a full 1 quart container of milk. Convert 1 gallon to quarts to find the sum of the capacity of the containers. Bracket, bracket, plus. First goes first, 1 gallon. Last goes last, 1 quart. Unit multiplier, gallons, quarts, gallons, quarts, gallons, quarts. I know it's 4, but we better look this up. How many gallons, quarts equal a gallon? Here it is. 4 quarts equal a gallon. Our unit multiplier is 4. Oh, now the math's really hard on this one. 1 times 4. I'll give you a little time. Whew. Yep, you got it. 4 plus 1 more. 5. 5 what? 5 quarts. Bracket, bracket, plus. First goes first. Last goes last. Times what? Times 4. Let's do a couple of lesson practice. 6 feet 2 inches. Bracket, bracket, plus. First goes first. Last goes last. Feet, inches. Feet, inches. Feet, inches equals 12. 12 times 6. 72 plus 2 more. 74 what? 74 inches. Let's go. Let's take a look at this one. 3 minutes and 2 seconds equals how many seconds? Bracket, bracket, plus. First goes first. Last goes last. What do we have? Minutes, seconds. Say it with me. Minutes, seconds, minutes, seconds. Not sure? Go ahead and look it up. It's on the second page. Minutes and seconds. 60. Your unit multiplier is 60. I think you can do this one in your head. 6 times 3 is 18. Keep the 0. Plus 2. 182 seconds. Now, guys, this assignment is simple. If you can remember Mr. Bauer's jingles. Bracket, bracket, plus. First goes first. Last goes last. We'll catch you on the next video.